Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today I found a thrift mystery bag for $4.99. That's about the price of a milkshake. So which should I have bought? I'll let you decide. Let's open it up and see if I got a bargain or just someone else's junk. Right away we have some Halloween themed items. First out of the bag is this plush. I'm honestly not sure what it's supposed to be. It has a ghost face mask, but also ears. Let's solve the mystery. Wait, this mask actually flips up, and it's a little cat underneath. That's pretty clever. The quality isn't amazing, but it's not terrible either. Judging by the tag, it looks like something from one of those mall import stores. I'll have to see what my real cat thinks about this later. Moving on, we have some green makeup, 2 tubes of witch cream. Next, we have this watch band. It looks to be made for a Velcro band. I don't really have a use for it. Then we have a bumper sticker. And here is a strange plastic tube I have absolutely nothing to do with. Then we have 2 brand new Vesco 10 milliliter syringes. Now here's one of the items I was most curious about. There are factory boxes of mechanical lead. A lot of these boxes are still sealed, and that's a good sign. Here we have a used brush. No thanks. Next, a tiny motorcycle. I might have to play with this a little later. Then we have a brand new box of 12 pens. These look like nice little fine line markers. And let's see how many are actually in the box. There's 11, so apparently someone already took one. And here's another box of lead, with larger tubes in this one. And now we have this very strange suction cup. After playing with this for a minute or two, I think I figured out what it is. If you know, you know. Let's just say it's dairy related. Next up, we have another box of lead. And a tube of magic glitter. I'm definitely going to find a project for that. And finally, we have a brass pencil sharpener shaped like a director's chair. That's actually pretty neat. Now looking at this last little piece, I think I figured out what that mystery tube was. It's one of those Elizabeth cigarette extenders. Apparently, someone thought this would even protect them from secondhand smoke. Interesting logic. So what did I actually get for $5? A cute plush, several boxes of mechanical pencil lead, a nice little brass sharpener, and some magic glitter. Plus a few random odds and ends. But before we decide if this bag was actually worth it, let's test out these pens. This first one is not looking promising. But sometimes dried pens come back to life. Nope, this is not looking good. Let's look at another one. Nope, not good either. I'm beginning to understand why there were only 11 in the box. Whoever donated these probably tested one, realized they were all dried out, and donated the rest. Straight into the trash these are going. Thankfully, pencil lead is a different story. But let's test it to be sure. Yep, still perfect. Now here's the crazy part. Each one of these boxes contains 144 pieces of lead, and each piece is about 2 3/8 long. That works out to well over 100 feet of pencil lead. I doubt I'll ever have to buy any again. So was this mystery bag worth $5? I personally think that little cat plush would have been well over $5. And everything else was just a bonus. What do you think? Would you have bought this mystery bag, or would you have gone for the milkshake? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.